Hi everyone, I'm here with a Versa lock which I got sent to me a while back. See, it's been snapped. I've removed the circlip because I'm hoping that once it's open I can gut it. It's been interesting to see what's inside it. Versa appears to have been a British company. I say appears because they appear to have gone into liquidation according to Companies House 2 years ago, which is a shame. But if anyone knows any more information about them, I'm more than happy to hear from you. Discover that it's quite a spongy lock, so I'll have to be quite... And there we go, it's open. So, like I said, with all the slop in it, I was expecting lots of spools, so it'll be interesting to see what's inside it. I've no idea what the bitting's like because I don't have a key for it. Oh, someone's playing with the horn again. Right, so as I've done things wrong so many times, I'm going to put a shim in place. Yep, your horn works. Right. Right, so there are so let's see what we've got. 6 pins. It's quite a deep anti-snap chamber, and in fact actually I think there's even a... no, that's just the way it's going. So 2 anti-drill pins up there, so let's just... there's that, pin 1's falling out. Actually, why don't I use one of Lock Noob's wonderful... Okay, so let's put pin 1 in there. Two. Pin 3. Pin 4. Pin 5 and pin 6. So oops. Well, I knew that was going to happen. So interesting little sine wave there going on with the pins. Let's see what's going on with the actual driver pins. Okay, that's a standard, and another standard, and another standard, and another standard. Just for variation's sake, let's go from the back, and another standard, and another standard. So they're all standard pins. Oops, daisy. Springs are in there. Let's just dump those out. So that's a bit interesting because I would have expected from the amount of slop in that lock when it was locked, rattling backwards and forwards, there'd be at least one spool in there. Let's have a look at these pins. Slightly rounded tops. Nothing particularly beveled in the way that you would expect from, say, a Lockwood or a Tessa, but there we go. Anyway, that was still quite a fun, if crunchy, lock to pick. So there we go. Thanks everyone, and take care.